hey, so we wanted to get together and understand, like, we were just going down the path of a renewal, and now all of a sudden you guys are canceling. So what happened? And just ask that question.
Okay.
Let them fucking blah, 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 and then we just start chipping away at any points that they
Getting
have.
specific into, like, what actually happened.
Yeah, but just ask them, like, so I was kind of shocked. Like, I want you to be like, I was kind of shocked because we were just doing this renewal and we went down this path and we did all these things, and all of a sudden you guys said that you're not and you're going in different directions. So could you please explain what's going on?
Okay. Yeah.
Who knows what meetings they had?
Yeah.
Like, I have no fucking idea.
Yeah.
So
we're going in there blind, so we need to figure it out.
just start with that question.
Start, like, vomiting shit. We need to be like, hey, so like, what happened?
Yeah. But yeah, I'll have to get the list of it.
Were you able to get the competitors' breakdown for keywords? SEMrush?
So it doesn't do it exactly. Where did the deal come from, right? So what's the source of the deal? And did that lead from Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever? Did it go into a deal? Yes. And then how many of those converted into opportunities that were closed won? So we rely heavily on source, right? So like, but it's what? Original source?
Original source, latest source.
So we've got multiple custom fields that we've put in to our client accounts on the HubSpot side, so that way we can create dashboards in HubSpot to show the data the way we want it. So I think it would be similar to creating these custom metrics. We just need to look at what is the properties on each account.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call it quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out.
So the purpose of this meeting is to give Christian and I an inside picture into some details around the sales process from kind of start to finish, so we can try and put together some complementary areas that to help the salespeople out with. So starting from how are they getting the names or the companies to go after? Is it just who's in HubSpot?
Okay, so we have some current people, current suspects, prospects in our HubSpot already.
You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out.
Stop listening to all these LinkedIn gurus that don't know your industry. I'm going to show you how to blow up your profile for industrial.
Shield my greed. That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposite.
We've already got onboarding. Is this
But it's a cheap. That's what I'm saying. We kept it at that.
So you can start that process.
We can start the CRM because we have to train them, set all that kind of stuff up.
I mean, I guess you could, but I know that in the conversation that it was like, why can we do marketing and the website at the same time?
Are you in here or just finishing up? Okay.
Playing the shuffle game.
Do you remember what whiskey Beckwood had last year?
The what?
Whiskey Beckwood had last year. That's not swill.
What the fuck is swill?
Like shit.
I would go expensive.
So 100, 150? Yeah.
What are we doing?
100, 150.
Yeah, I would do the same.
Might be 160.
We're not tracking it, and we're going to figure out how to.
So basically, the purpose of making this meeting is you guys are going next week, and I just want everybody to take note of like the stuff that you have to film while you're there, and then any stuff that you want to film, and then put it on a schedule so that you guys make sure that like everything's organized while you're there. Are these are the days that we're going though?
Yeah.
Just those days?
Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Got to get the deets on that rave, Wednesday night rave. It's just a party that, hey, what are you guys doing on Wednesday? There's a party from 9 to midnight. Let's see how fucked we are. It's going to be busy, I know that.
So basically your whole morning is spoken for on that day, but that's it.
Yeah, and I'm doing LinkedIn Live.
The same thing.
There's gonna be 4 people on that LinkedIn Live. One of them's the fucking president. Yeah, so from 10:30 to 12, we're just there capturing content of them at their booth, working their booth. So what was your punchline moment?
Oh, my punchline moment, I was just going to make sure everybody had everything they need, and then I was going to say this is also the practice run of we're going to have to make a schedule like this for FabTech too, but like go harder.
Yeah, FabTech is going to be landscape mode
Yeah.
and like a way bigger sheet. It's probably going to have to be a spreadsheet.
I already started on that one.
Okay. That's going to be insane. Like, the stuff that we want to capture is going to be insane.
I'm going to give y'all edit access to this.
Oh, you better watch out giving me edit access. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm probably not even going to look at this thing.
It's mostly for Shelly.
All right, guys, that's the end of day one. Mic'd up behind the scenes at MFG Tribe headquarters. Wait until you see the next episode when shit gets weird. And I'll do a different one being like, catch you guys on the next episode.
Is shit gonna get weird?
Maybe.
But what if it doesn't?
That's why I said you got both.
When I'm focused, I'm dangerous down.